Today, you'll learn how to easily create an organic balloon garland that makes a perfect Halloween decoration. Start by inflating and pairing up 12-inch balloons. To give them a nice round shape, inflate them slightly larger than needed, and then gently press to let a bit of air out. For a more interesting look, inflate the balloons in different sizes. Once you have 2 pairs, twist them together to create a cluster of 4 balloons. Now you'll need a piece of string, ribbon, or balloon tape. I'm using string. Attach one end of it to the center of your balloon cluster. You can tie a few knots or simply wrap the string around the balloons. The technique doesn't matter as long as it works. Of course, we'll need many more of these clusters for our garland. To save time, I've already prepared mine. Layer them one by one, wrapping the string around each cluster several times to keep them secure. This part takes a bit of time, so while we're at it, let me remind you to hit that subscribe button if you'd like to learn more balloon decoration techniques. On my channel, you'll find plenty of Halloween ideas, as well as other themed balloon decorations and fun balloon creations for kids. The base of our garland is almost ready, so let's get back to the fun part. To make your garland look truly organic, it's worth adding some smaller 5-inch balloons. Inflate these to different sizes as well, then tie them in pairs and add a 3rd balloon to each pair. Combine 2 of these small clusters using a piece of a modeling balloon. I use about 1/3 of a modeling balloon and tie it to one of the 5-inch balloon ends. You'll need several of these small clusters, so of course I've prepared mine a bit earlier. Stretch the balloons and using a modeling balloon to connect them, wrap it around the spot where you want to attach the mini balloons, just like you can see in the video. I'm standing behind the decoration so I don't block the view, but it'll be much easier for you if you stand in front of the display. This process takes a bit of time, so let's speed it up a little. The garland is ready, but now it's time to give it a slightly spookier touch. Let's start with an eye. I've already shown how to make one in another video. The link will, of course, be in the description below. Tie a piece of a modeling balloon to the end of the balloon eye. This gives you a longer tail, which makes it easier to attach the eye to your garland. In my decoration, I'll use just one eye in the center, but you can add more spooky details if you like. Personally, I love combining balloons with flowers. Here, I'll use some artificial ivy. It's dark colored, so it fits the Halloween theme perfectly. Now for a pop of color. I've got some beautiful roses in red and purple with a touch of black. They'll complement the decoration perfectly, and I actually found them at a regular supermarket. I tucked the flowers between the balloons to fill in any empty spaces. This kind of decoration works great as a centerpiece for a table, a wall display, or above the doorway of your home. Happy Halloween, and see you in the next spooky balloon lesson.